Chamundi Hills. The BJP has taken it otherwise and said this was not a welcome comment.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು
Doesn't accept whatever congressmen comment. If it is pleasing there, they accept it. Otherwise, they are. See, Yadavir is a parliament member from the BJP. Chamundi Hill or Devi is a deity of the state, not a devate. Not a devate. Even Maharajas, erstwhile Maharajas, his forefathers, all of them had given invitation to every section of the society, including foreign nationals visit even today, tomorrow. Can you stop entering palace? Can anyone stop entering Chamundi temple? See, it is a deity of the state, not for a religion. We call it Nada Devate. So Dasara prayer is being offered by everyone. Everyone participated in it. The ideal also, she gives blessings to all sections of the society. All those bad elements were being killed by her. There is a big history on that. At all times, anyone you please tell in any temple, or mosque, or churches, or gurudwaras, or bastis, Jain bastis. Here is there any block that you should not enter? Anyone can enter a temple, anyone can pray. Many Christians and minorities go to the Chamundeshwari temple, pray there. They believe in that God. I have gone to a mosque, I have prayed. I have gone to church, I have prayed. When I go to Gurudwara, I have prayed. I went to Bidar once in Gurudwara. I see some big strength there. All people of all over the world go to Amritsar, Sikh temple. They pray. We believe in it. So it is our Indian culture. Ultimately, it is a constitution. And Chamundi Hills is a government temple. It is not a private temple. It is a government temple. It is a government temple, and government is open to all sections of the society. Whether they Buddha Dharma, or Hindus, or Christians, anyone can come and pray. And Yadavira stopped any day. So I don't think this is right. And earlier also, a minority writer, we had asked him to inaugurate. This time also, who has got laurels to Karnataka and Kannada, we have asked that lady, our woman from Karnataka, to do Banu Mustaq. We should not look at our language, our tricolor, Nada Devate. It is not a specification. So that is my personal belief, and let BJP comment. They are there to comment on it.
So Vijayendra has tweeted that you are very strong Hindutva.
Of course, I am a
now we have gone soft.
I am soft also. I am always this one. It is my religion, I say. But I love all religion. I respect all religion. See, I believe in humanity. My Guru, I believe in humanity. Manava dharma ke jayavagali. Dharmadindale vishwakke shanti. That is, I believe, which my Guruji has taught me. That is, I believe in it.
Sir, on September 1st, BJP is taking out rally.
BJP rally is a political rally. Let them do that rally in Bangalore. They are spoiling the sanctity of Dharmasthala. They just close their mouth. When we opened our mouth, when we try to protect that illegal things should not happen, they are just trying to posture themselves and try to take the advantage. They will fail.
Thank you, sir.